Of course, there's Jazz, who doesn't have a problem in the world, because her master kitchen, is taking care of business, you see.
Monkey business.
Aren't you, Terry?
I'm all about that.
Yes, you. So if you want the job done right, get your beep, your mother beep down.
Whatever it is, don't bring me your
Beep. He'll be glad to tackle any
timing's
problem
off.
that you've got. And here's Jazz. Here's Jazz. What do you got there, Jazz? Look at here. You want to play, don't you? Your dad's highly upset and he doesn't want to play. He's sick of playing. He wants to get out of the biz and play in a big band. And look at Jazz go with he got the laser light. Got the laser light on. Come on, get it, Jazz, get it. Get it, Jazz. Get it. Get it, Jazz. There you go, get it, Jazz. Get it. Hey, you guys, I got to show you something here. This is a Honda Odyssey, okay? And it's a van, and Terry has to replace the, I think it's a timing belt on it. And you have no idea. If you look down in there, let me give you a better shot of this here. The things that you have to go through just to get to certain things. These engineers that design this stuff, look at this. Just look at this. All this stuff had to come out of there. People have no idea what's involved in replacing something on these newly designed vehicles. And this is why it costs so much, because this stuff is not easy. Just look at that. That's a timing belt you see right there. And I think we got the power steering pump here, and folks, it's a nightmare. Cut!